This video demonstrates how to calculate the area mapped for each type in a LANDFIRE grid in ArcMap. In this example, I will be calculating the percent and the acres mapped for each BPS type in a LANDFIRE BpS grid. I'll be working in ArcGIS 10, but a similar process can be used in other versions of Arc. The first step is to open the attribute table of the grid by right-clicking on it in the table of contents and selecting Open Attribute Table. From the Table Options drop-down menu, select Export. Name the DBF file that you will be exporting. I like to name the file the same name as my grid so that it is easy to identify where it came from later. Once it is named, click OK. When asked if you would like to add the new table to ArcMap, choose No. We will open it in Excel instead. So now open up Excel and navigate to where you save the file. Go to File, Open. You will need to select the All Files option here on the right so that your DBF will become visible. Select your file and click Open. Now, to calculate the area, I'm going to insert two new columns. One for the percent calculation and one for the acres calculation. I like to put the new fields next to the count field because that is used in the calculation. Now to calculate percent, the first step is to sum the count. I'll do that using the Auto Sum button. Then back up at the top, enter the formula. The percent equals the individual cell count divided by the total cell count times 100, and then hit enter. Now, in order to copy and paste this formula down the row, I need the denominator to be constant. I can do that by inserting dollar signs around the column letter in the formula. Once that's done, copy and paste the formula down the column. Now, because most of these BPS represent a fairly small area, I'm going to increase the decimal place by 2 points so that I can see percents less than 1. Now, to calculate the acres, you enter the formula, which is individual cell count times 0.22239, and then hit enter. And you can copy and paste that formula down the column. Now you know an easy way to calculate the percent and the acres for a type map in a LANDFIRE grid. Before finishing, I like to save my work in an Excel file so that I can come back to it and make graphs and charts later.